Tired of your important team's messages getting lost in the digital shuffle? In this video, we'll show you how to tag everyone in Microsoft Teams so your message is seen. First, let's cover tagging everyone using the desktop app. Open the channel where you want to post your announcement. In the message box, simply type @Teams will highlight a team, indicating it's a valid mention. Using @Team will notify everyone who is a member of the team. Now, type your message after the @Team mention. Be clear and concise to grab everyone's attention. Hit send, and everyone in the team will get a notification. You can also use @Channel, but this only notifies members who have notifications turned on for that specific channel. Tagging everyone on mobile is just as easy. Open the Teams app and navigate to the desired channel. Tap in the message box and type @Team. Then add your message just like you would on the desktop app and send. A quick tip: use these mentions sparingly. Overusing @Team or @Channel can lead to notification fatigue. Only use them when it's truly relevant to everyone, and that's it. Now you can ensure everyone in your team sees your important messages. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Microsoft Teams tips. #Microsoft Teams tips #Team collaboration.